Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are in good health and ready to learn. So, let's continue with our arithmetic progression chapter. Last week, or rather during the last class, what we learned was how to find sum of n numbers of an AP. First n numbers of an AP. अगर एक AP दे रहा है and एक first term है, last term है and उधर starting from first term till nth term है, what is the sum of all those terms? सारे terms के sum कैसा है? For that we made the equation Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you want to see the derivation, I would ask all of you to go back to the last video. It is there in the YouTube. Go back to the old video and please learn that. Okay. Please refresh your memory. Today, what we are going to learn is we are going to derive the equation for sum of natural numbers. So, what is natural number? Natural number is 1, 2, 3 goes till n, right? It can be till infinity हो सकता है. So, let's consider 1 to n numbers. ये n तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. Could be 10, could be 15, हमें मालूम नहीं. So, since we don't know, we're just going to take it as n. Do you think this is an arithmetic progression? I mean, its answer is too obvious, man. Like, it is an arithmetic progression. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Either 4 रहेगा. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the common difference here is 1. So, let's go one by one. What is A here? A is equal to 1. The first term here is 1. D is equal to 1. So, we need to find the sum of all these numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus जाके plus n. Okay. So, what is the sum of n numbers of an AP? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is an equation that we already know. मैं ऐसा use करेगा. N by 2 is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, now we are going to substitute. A के स्थान पे क्या है number 1. So, we put a as 1, d as 1. So, n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. So, it becomes n by 2 into 2 plus n. ये 1 अंदर जाएगा तो n 1 into n is n. 1 into 1 is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus n minus 1. 2 into 1 2 आया. n 1 into n आया. 1 into minus 1 आया. So 2 plus n minus 1. So इधर नंबर है ना 2 minus 1 क्या है 1 है. So it becomes n by 2 into n plus 1. So what is the sum of n natural numbers? N by 2 into n plus 1. So इसका meaning क्या है? So if I ask you to find the sum of first 5 numbers of a natural numbers, first 5 numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Udhar we don't need to add it. We just put n as 5. 5 by 2 into 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. 15 is the answer. Just add 1 to 5. What do you think the answer will be? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Same answer aa raha hai na? So first of one and natural numbers, this is the equation. You can by heart this equation. Make sure that you by heart this equation. Now let's consider a set of even numbers. So what are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. ऐसे ऐसे जाके we are taking the last number as 2n. Why do we take it as 2n? क्या है? Why didn't we just take it as n? इसका logic क्या है? Because it is a even number, right? Even numbers are always numbers multiplied by 2. So this is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into n. Correct? So there are n numbers. We are just multiplying each number by 2. That's how it came. Here also you can clearly see that this is an arithmetic progression. Correct? What is 4 minus 2? 2. 6 minus 4? 2. So common difference is 2. First number is a is the first number, that is 2. Correct? So again इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट n numbers. ये भी एक अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है, सो वी कैन जस्ट यूज दिस इक्वेशन n by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 2 and d is 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. Correct? So what is 2 into 2? 4. 2n 2 अंदर जाएगा. 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 will be plus 2 or minus 2. It will be minus 2. अभी अंदर कैसा है? 4 plus 2n minus 2. 4 और 2n we cannot add. एक नंबर है इधर अल्फाबेट है, तो ऐड करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So we will do 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it becomes n by 2 into 2 plus 2n. तो इधर क्या कॉमन है? इधर भी 2 है, इधर भी 2 है. So if I take this 2 outside, क्या बाकी है? 2 divided by 2 is 1. इधर से 2 2 हटाया तो 1 बाकी है. So n by 2 into 1 plus n. 2 और 2 कट हो जाएगा. I'm sorry, I forgot to cut the 2 here. The 2 will, ये 2 and ये 2 will be cut. What is left? N into n plus 1. So that means, what is the meaning of that? To find the first n, sum of first n even numbers, you can just use this equation, n into n plus 1. That is, I ask you to find the sum of first 3 even numbers. Okay, what are the first 3 even numbers? 2, 4 and 6, right? 2 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. तो वो तो तुम लोग ऐड किया. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट जस्ट पुट n as 3. 3 into, sorry, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So here we put n as 3. 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 into 4. What is 3 into 4? 12. So what did you learn here? We just learned two equations. If first equation is, what is to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Equation is n by 2 into n plus 1 by head karna. And here is sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. I hope this is clear to you. What I will be sending you will be a worksheet where you have a set of questions on solving uh, questions using this equation. Equation ऐसा ही देगा. No, you need to by heart these equations, and इसका question होगा, you just have to substitute. Question would be like, find the sum of first 50 natural numbers. So what will be your n? 50. इधर n के स्थान पे 50 substitute करना है, you will get the answer. Find the sum of first 20 even numbers. क्या करना है? n के स्थान पे 20 लिखना है, ये equation डालना है, and you will get the answer. I hope this is clear. Please finish the worksheet. Stay at home. Be safe. Have fun. Bye bye, guys.